Right, today we'll be considering some past questions, some external questions, which definitely will be tougher than the simpler ones, the simpler examples we consider as relating to indices and standard form, particularly indices. So excellent students don't just base themselves on works they've done in classes. If they want to be exceptional and outstanding, they find challenges, they find problems that are even tougher than the ones they know. So that is kind of question they meet in external exams. So in order to prepare them ahead, they dare to find questions that they can use to explore. So that is the main reason why we are having this video, to consider some past questions, especially JAMB past questions. So without wasting much time, we begin with the first question. The first question says 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 125 x plus 3. Now, if you look at this, you can express this in form. No, when we have 1 divided by 2, it can be written as 1 over 2. And that same 1 over 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power minus 1. So this knowledge, you can apply it to what's inside this bracket. So that will give us 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equal to 125 raised to the power minus 1. All in brackets, then x plus 3. Then from here, we can continue and make this 125 to be in the powers of 5. So that I can cancel what's on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So that will give us 5 raised to the power x minus 2 then equal to 5 raised to the power 3. 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 5 is 125, multiplied by the numerator, the power. Then we have x plus 3. Then this will give us 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equal to 5 raised to the power minus 3. All in brackets, then we have x plus 3. Now you can break using products, you can break the powers, you can break them. Then if you want to break it, that will be 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equal to 5 raised to the power minus 3x minus 9. Now with this, you have the same whole number, so you can break them all together. So 5 will go with this 5, we are left with the powers. So that will be x minus 2 equal to minus 3x minus 9. So you can collect the like terms from here. Collect like terms. So if you collect like terms from here, we have x plus, this is just equal to sign becomes plus 3x equal to, we have minus 9 here. The minus 2 is going to be the minus 9 becomes plus, that's plus 2. So this will give us 4x, that gives us 4x equal to minus 7. So you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, because you're looking for x, that is the question. The question says resolve the equation. So you divide both sides by 4 to make x to stand alone. So that will be x equal to minus 7 over 4. And if you look at it, that is option B. That is option B. Right, let's move to the second question. The second question says, when we have, we find the value of x, when we have this 1 divided by 64 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 4 raised to the power x minus 3 divided by 16 raised to power x. So what they say you find in this question is just the value of x. Actually, if you look at this question, you see that all these, they are multiples of 2. They have multiples of 2. So you can simply express them in 2s. But before you do that, you can also apply like we did here. You can do it over here, and that will be 64 raised to the power minus 1. Then into bracket x plus 2. That will be equal to 4 raised to the power x minus 3 divided by 16 raised to the power x. So here you can raise this to the power of, I can make it 2 raised to the power something. So if you have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 raised to the power 6. It will give you 64. So 2 raised to the power 6. Then multiplied by this. Or you can break the bracket to make it easier. So if you break this bracket, minus 1 times x will give you minus x. Minus 1 times 2 will give you minus 2. So that will give us, you can make this to be 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 raised to the power 2, then x minus 3. Then divided by 2 raised to the power 4, that's 16. Then times x, that's 4x. Now from here, you will need to express this. You cannot just cut it 1 1 just like we did here, because we are having multiple 2's here. So you need to bring it under one umbrella. So if you want to do that, you need to express this using that second law, that's subtraction law. So that will be 2 raised to the power 6 minus x minus 2 equal to 2, let's bracket first, 2x minus 6 divided by 2 raised to the power 4x. So from here, you can solve this. You can break this bracket and solve this. This will give you 2 raised to the power minus 6x minus 12. You have solved for this. Then this will give you, now using that law, you take one of the bases, it is the same thing. You have 2. Then you have 2x minus 6 minus 4x. Then you have this. You can cut this off. Now, then you have minus 6x minus 12. It gives us 2x minus 6 minus 4x. So from there, you can bring this and this together since they are of this thing. So you have minus 6x plus, you can bring this here, plus 4x. After breaking this, then bring it to minus 2x. Then you have equal to minus 6 plus 12. This is going to come here. This is going to come here. So actually, what we make this bracket for is just to group it, but we can observe it as one complete entity. And that is why when this comes here, it comes minus. When this comes here, it comes plus. It comes plus. So from here, we can solve this, and this will give us minus 4x equal to 6. Minus 4x equal to 6. So from there, you see that we're having minus 4x. You're looking for x. You divide both sides by minus 4. Divide both sides by minus 4. We have minus 4x divided by minus 4. Be equal to 6 divided by 4. This is minus 4. Let's go with this. And with that, we'll be having 2 here, 2 times, 2 here, 3 times. So x will be giving us minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. And that is option D. That is option D. So that is how that was solved also. Now, moving to the next question. The next question. Which is the third one. The next question says 81 raised to the power of minus 3 over 4 times 25 raised to the power 1 over 2 times 243 raised to the power 2 over 5. Now here, we can use the fractional indices rule to solve this. Then also we can use that same rule for this and that same rule for this. This is 5. So that is 4 root 81 raised to the power of minus 3 times 2. That is square root of 25. Then we have the 5th root of 243 raised to the power 2. So this will become, if you find the 4th root of 81, that is 3. Then what is outside raised to power minus 3 times this is 5 raised to power 1, same thing as 5. Then this is 3 raised to power 2. So here we can write it as this 1 over 3 raised to power 3 times 5 times 3 raised to power 2. So by solving this, you have 5. So that's 5 times 3 raised to power 2. Then you have 3 raised to power 3. So we're having 2 of this here. So we left with 1 here. So that will give us 5 raised to power 3. And that is option D. That's option D. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 says 2 raised to power x plus y equal to 16. This is straightforward. Then we have the second one, 4x minus y equal to 1 over 32. So here, you saw that we're having two equations. So what you do is that you label the equations. So you label this positive equation 1 up. We need to express it without labels so it will get confusing. So we can express this to be 2 raised to power x plus y. And we can express 16 to be 2 raised to power 4. That's our equation 1. Then we can express the next one. That's 2 raised to power 2 x minus y to give us 32 raised to power minus 1. That's equation 2. So from there, since we are getting the two equations, we can express 32 also to power of 2. So we can make this to be 2 raised to power 2x minus 2y equal to 2 raised to power minus 5. Okay. So that gives us our second equation. So these two can go with this, and also these two can go with this. So we'll be having x plus y equal to 4 as our equation. Let's do equation 3. Then the next one we have 2x minus 2y equal to minus 5. That's our equation 4. So after we have all these equations, then we pick one. Then we manipulate it for either x or y to be equal to the other part of the equation. So after we get that, then we now input what we've gotten for our manipulation into another equation. So let's say from equation 3. Let's pick from equation 3. From equation 3. And equation 3 says, equation 3 is x plus y equal to 4. That's equation 3. So we can make either y or x subject of formula. Let's make y subject of formula. So that way y equals to, this here, y equals to 4 minus x. So I label this also another equation, maybe equation 5. Then I say input equation 5 into the equation, and input it into equation 4 in 1. Let's say into equation 4. So if you input it into equation 4 is 2x minus 2y equals to minus 5. So that means anywhere we see y here, we use this. So that gives us 2x minus 4 minus x equal to minus 5. So that will be 2x minus 8 plus 2x will give us minus 5. So you can see that the equation have turned into x, so we can definitely get our x. So that will be 2x plus 2x equal to minus 5. We have like x plus 8. So we have 4x equal to 8 minus 5, that's 3. Divided by 4, 4 cancel 4. So we are having x equal to 3 over 4. Having x equal to 3 over 4. Now, we have already gotten for x. We also need to get for y. So since x equal to 3 over 4, say input this. Input into equation, let's say equation 1. Let's equation 3. Equation 3. So since we are getting this, whenever we see x, we put 3 over 4 in equation 3. And equation 3 is x plus y equal to 4. So that will be 3 over 4 plus y equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 over 4. Then we can find the LCM here. That is 4. 1 and 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 4 and 4 1 times 3 is 3. So this will give you 13 over 4. So that is y. So y is equal to 13 over 4. Therefore x equal to 3 over 4 and y equal to 13 over 4. And that is one option. That is option B. That's option B. Moving on to the next question. That's question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 says 25 raised to the power 1 minus x times 5 raised to the power x plus 2 divided by 1 over 125 raised to the power x will give us 625 raised to the power minus 1. You can see this is kind of complex, but it's actually simple because if you look at it in terms, you see that everything are in the multiples of 5. So this will be 5 raised to the power 2, 1 minus x. Then we have 5 already, 5x plus 2 divided by this, I'm written as 5 raised to the power 3 times minus 1. When this is 1 over, so that is inverse, then x. Then you have this to be 5 raised to the power 4 times 1. So let's solve it. That will be 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2x times 5 raised to the power x plus 2 divided by 5 raised to the power, so this is minus 3x, and this was 5 raised to the power minus 4. So here we can solve this and bring this together first, then we join it with this. So using the addition rule, this gives us 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus x plus 2. Then divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3x equal to 5 raised to the power minus 4. So if you solve this, it will give you 5 raised to the power. So that's okay. Now there's something we can do. 2 minus 2x plus x plus 2. We can change this division sign to multiplication sign so that we can just have an addition of all together. So if you know this is same thing as divided by 1 over 5 raised to the power 3x equal to 5 raised to the power minus 4. So if you will be multiplying it, minus 3, if you will be multiplying it, that will be 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus x plus 2 multiplied by. So when the sign change to multiplication, so it is 3x. When the sign change to multiplication, the denominator will turn to numerator and the numerator will turn to denominator. So that's definitely 5 raised to the power 3x. equal to 5. So that is for simplicity, because you might find it difficult to solve division functions. So this using the product rule, the addition rule, that is 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2x plus 2 n plus 3x equal to 5 raised to the power minus 4. So this is simple enough. You use 5 to cancel this. So this is 2 minus 2x plus 2 plus 3x equal to minus 4. So this, when you solve this will give you 4 plus 2x equal to minus 4. Then you have 2x equal to minus 4 minus 4. Then we have 2x equal to minus 8. We have to divide by 2. The x will give us minus 4. And that is option A. That is option A. So moving on to number 6. Number 6 is 3n minus 1 times 27n plus 1 over 81n. So this can be written as 3n minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 3 n plus 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 n. So we write this can also be written as 3n minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 3 n plus 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 n. So this is written as 3n minus 1 times, use the subtraction rule, that's 3n plus 3 minus 4n. So that's 3n minus 1 times 3 minus n plus 3. So we have 3n minus 1 plus, and this is now addition plus minus n plus 3. So that will give us 3 raised to the power 2. When you solve this, that's 3n minus 1 minus n plus 3. So this will go with this. So we have 3 raised to the power 2, and that is 9. That is option B. That is option B. Number 7 says 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 8 raised to the power 2 over 3 over 16 raised to the power 2 over 4 times 2. So you can simplify this, and if you simplify it out with 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 8 raised to the power 2 over 3 over 16 raised to the power 1 over 2 times 2. So here use that law, that fractional indices. That's cube root of 27 minus cube root of 8 raised to the power 2, then square root of 16 times 2. So that will give you 3, which is 3 minus 2 raised to the power 2, which still equals 8. So that's minus 1 over 8. And that is option, what is that? Option C. Option C. The next question, which is number 8. Number 8 says 25 raised to the power x minus 1 equal to 64, 5 over 2 raised to the power 6. Now, this is not raised to power, this is a whole number. That is 64 times 5 over 2. This is only the power. So don't make a mistake. So that will be 25 raised to the power x minus 1 equal to 64 times 5 raised to the power 6. Then 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So definitely this 64 can cancel this 64. Then you have 25 raised to the power x minus 1 equal to 5 raised to the power 6. This will be 5 raised to the power 2 x minus 1 equal to 5 raised to the power 6. This 5 goes with this, and we have 2x minus 2 equal to 6. Then equal times 2x will equal to 6 plus 4. 2x will be equal to 10. You divide both sides, plus 2. Yeah, so that will give you 8. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. The 2 here 1, 2 here 4 times, so x equal to 4. That's option B. Option B. Moving on to the next question, number 9. Number 9 says 5 raised to the power x times 25 raised to the power x minus 1 over 125 raised to the power x plus 1. So you can solve this to be 5 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power 2 x minus 1 over 5 raised to the power 3 x plus 1. So if you solve this using the additional rule over here, that will give you 5 raised to the power x plus 2x minus 2. Then I have 5 raised to the power 3x plus 3. So this is a division, so you can use the division rule. So this is something as saying f5 raised to the power x plus 2x minus 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 3x plus 3. So we need to subtract the powers, taking one of the whole numbers. So that's 5 raised to the power, when you solve this and this, that will be 3x minus 2 minus 3x minus 3. Plus this and this will give you 3x. So when you solve that, you have 5 raised to the power minus 5. Let's go with this. Minus 2 minus this will give us minus 5. I told you this bracket, I just to group them. You can open the brackets. So that will be 3x minus 2 minus 3. Then we have minus 3x. So let's go with this, and I left it minus 5. So this is it. So that is option C. Please don't make the mistake over here concerning the grouping. Don't make the mistake concerning the grouping. If it's possible, don't group it with brackets. I just do that to make the numbers not to mix up. But you observe them singly. Going to the next one. I think this is simple and straightforward. This is simple and straightforward. You have 3 raised to the power 1 over x equal to root 9. So if you want to solve this, is something as saying 3 raised to the power 1 over x times this root means 1 over 2. So that's times 1 over 2 is x equal to 3. So this goes with this. This is having 1 over here. So that's 1 over x times 1 over 2 equal to 1. So you'll be having 1 over 2x equal to 1. Cross multiply 1 equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. X will give you 1 over 2. And that's option E. Option E. Now let's move to the next question. Question 11, which says 2 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. So if you want to express this, 2 raised to the power 0 is already 1. Then plus this is minus 1 over 2. So it can be written as 1 over 4 raised to the power 1 over 2. Then 2. So this will be saved as 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. Because you know this is square root of, this is as square root of 4. That will give you 2. That's how you do 2 inside here. This is 2. So you find the LCM. Find the LCM. Let's say 2. So 1 into 2 times 1, 2. 2 into 1 times 1 times 1, 1. Then square. Then square. So that will give us 3 over 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So, and that is option C. That is option C. So let's move to another question. Another question that is, it says 16 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 4 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 37 raised to the power 1 over 3. So this is square root of 16 1 over square root of 16, this is minus 1. 1 over square root of 16 times 1 over square root of 4 times 3 root 27. So permit me to write here, that's 1 over 4 times 1 over 2 times 3. So this will give us 1 over 4 times 3 over 2. And when you solve this, we eventually give you 3 over 8. That's the option B. Moving on to another question. So that is 27 raised to power x plus 2 divided by 9 raised to power x plus 1 equals 3 raised to power 2x. So that's to find x. To express this to the power of 3, that's 3 raised to power 3 x plus 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2 x plus 1 raised to power 3 raised to power 2x. So using the subtraction, we're having 3 raised to power 3x plus 6 minus 2x plus 2 equals to 3 raised to power 2x. Then to simplify this, you have 3x plus 6. This is going to be this 3x plus 6 minus 2x plus 2 equals to 2x. So this will be 3x minus 2x plus x, 6 plus 2. And this is minus effect here. Minus times plus has minus. That's plus 4 plus 6 minus 2. I'll give you plus 4. For easier understanding, let's break the brackets together. This is 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2. So equal to 2x. So when it's decided, it's going to break the brackets. So we're having 3x minus 2x plus 6 minus 2 equal to 2x. So we're having 4 over here. Then we have x plus 4 equal to 2x. So you got it like this. So 4 will give you 2x minus x. That's x equal to 4. X equal to 4. And that is option B. That's option B. So that is all for today. That is all for today. So kindly take time to go through it again if you find it difficult, and make sure you consult other past questions, other tough questions. Those are what build people to be strong. Those are what people to be fast, especially in mathematics. Right? Have a good day. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.